Bruh.
Hey, what's up, Matt? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. It's just Hangout tonight with all the patrons. My God, there's a lot. Kind of exciting, man. Really cool stuff going on in the Discord. Look at this. A lot of people in there, so I'm gonna join them. But yeah, I mean, Bitcoin's doing nothing. Nothing. We'll talk about it more. Head and shoulders, people be saying, right? Thinking it is or something. It's a very small pattern. It's nothing insignificant. Kind of still looks like it's flagging. Upsloping flag. Okay.
There's a self-proclaimed troll running around.
Whoa, it's Logan.
He's just like perma bull or perma bear.
Yeah, for the last month he's been saying that we're going down, and then it pumped, and everybody said get wrecked.
That's funny. Well, a broken clock is right twice a day.
Yeah, really.
People fall in love with shorting, and they're
right.
That's the only excitement they get.
It's either that or it's just like, dude, I don't know. The way he talks, sometimes it's like he just might mental illness or something. I don't know, man. Like, it's just weird.
Yeah, just the glass half empty, negative.
Or with all this
Super
negativity going
pessimist.
on in the world, that he's just biased from a negative outlook, and so goes automatically.
What if he was
short.
burned like super bad by being bullish one time, or didn't know that you can do a stop loss?
I don't know.
It could happen.
Just shorted really well one time.
If you want,
if you get burned bad, really bad one time, you usually learn your lesson. The worst thing is
Makes
to not get burned really
Yeah.
bad one time. Your first
think getting
time,
burned
if you
is
do
like
really
your best
well.
way to learn.
do you think it has something to do
Not
with just
doing
maybe
it.
attention, like getting attention? Because
On the stream, maybe.
yeah, like to gain notoriety, and it's like, oh, now everyone knows it's him. Like he's the crazy guy, and you know.
Forced him to
You know,
double
Yeah,
down
based on
over
the
and over
frequency
again.
and prominence, it's kind of obvious, right?
Someone's got the
Right.
TV going on in
That's
the
that's
background.
caffeine, I
I can
think.
hear it.
I don't even think you realize this guy's mic on.
I
Skyward.
mean, you can have
What?
just
Skyward.
overall negative people, and then just if it eventually does move, then he can come in and say, "I told you so." That's every
Yeah, I'll
perma
just wait
bear I've ever
until,
met.
there's a pullback, man. I told you
Right.
so.
All the perma bears from January 1st, 2019, the entire year, and then I told you so in March. It's like, yeah, but you missed 35% up on
Right.
just the indexes.
Yep.
Like, you can be
There are some people that only play the short game with cryptos, though, because once it starts going down, it's easy to
I mean,
tell.
it was
and-
Elevator,
down
yeah.
for an
You can just
entire
ride it.
year, of almost 2 years.
yeah, if it's a bear trend, I generally will look to take.
TA is respected so well in bear trends, man. So many bear ciphers and bear flags and bear polls. You remember all that stuff, like in 2018?
2018.
It was the magic, man.
Yeah,
Because
by
on the
the
bullish side, it was good too. Once everything, once all the oscillators started showing seller exhaustion.
Yeah, traditional was pretty bearish in 2018 as well.
Yeah, so the
not
volatility.
really. There was some awesome. January was an awesome blow off top in 2018. And February 5th or April, you got demolished, and then you had a nice run from end of April through October 5th.
Man, Litecoin's pretty.
Nice day after Christmas. I was opening some Christmas presents.
Yeah, that's me this whole month, dude. Let's go.
When I was buying I was like the Friday before, I'm like, all right, we have a short week. It's only Christmas Eve day that they're coming. It's a half day. These shorts got to start taking profit. Looking at like how heavily short hedge funds were. Remember how a ton of them had gotten massacred and people were able to pull money by November 15th.
Yeah.
So they were just market was way over short. Everything was hard to borrow. And
Yeah, right here.
the 28th, I'm like, where are they gonna close their shorts? Come on, guys. The year and the quarter's ending soon.
Man, look at it. It was just such a, it sprung. It's like inverse upthrust, looking at the range right now on the SPX, what you're talking about. What a fake out. And then just V-shaped right back up to the top. And then now we have like a much greater version of that. If you look to your right, it's just completely fine, man.
The breadth is
23%. That's it, dude. 23% retrace. It's like a minor. Talking like a minor low from June 12th. Not even talking about, the bottom. What a joke.
you can't get,
It's about to moon, man. 32.93 next. Easy.
32.93 next.
Yeah, easy.
Okay, so 32.
It's a miniature scrub peak.
330 spy. Okay.
Yeah.
I think I have a bet with Phil, and I said you have all-time highs by fall. Spy.
Yeah. I mean, that's like the call, kind of. It's a joke. It's a meme, whatever. It's like just what just happened today. That's kind of why I say it. That is such a huge catalyst, man, to everything.
I can add it more to my bearish case. So if money flows back in, that is a safety thing. Look at the yields; they're horrible.
Yeah.
The market's not rallying together. The breadth is horrible. So utilities aren't rallying. Consumer staples aren't rallying. Those are normally safer trades. So we should see money go back into the mega caps and just.
Speaking of, right? Or like here's looking at Target. Is that what you're saying? Like, Walmart's and Targets, or
Consumer
about?
staple, yeah, Walmart, Targets, and consumer staples. Your Coke, Pepsi, Mondelez, which is like owns Oreo Nabisco.
Look at this beautiful,
Nice.
beautiful flipping
Clorox,
chart right
Procter
here.
Gamble, Johnson Johnson. These are like things that people have. McDonald's, things that people are still going to buy during a recession.
Yeah, did we look at McDonald's
staple.
earlier today? I think we were going to.
Jeff, when he said that yields were really low, is that you're talking about treasury bonds? and
Double
things
top.
Like that?
McDonald's double topping.
Yeah,
Holy
the
crap,
10-year
dude.
yield is the one I pay attention to the most. We broke out, Mitch, on my futures trade.
On
The ZN.
on
You
Zoom.
think that's
Did you
due
see
to a
Zillow?
cash
Did you see
war?
Zillow also break out?
The stock, Zillow?
Yeah. Broke out today.
Yeah.
A broadening top.
They're
All-time
doing
highs.
Well, I think they're selling. They're doing well selling
Oh my God.
houses.
Dude, look at this
I haven't
scare
read from
Monka S, dude. On the daily, look at McDonald's. Of course, money printer, who cares, right? But like, look at that. That's pretty good. You got it on both oscillators.
Yo, is that a double arches pattern?
It doubled. It's the McD, man. Oh my
Forming a
God.
double M. It's
Yes,
forming
it
a
is.
double
The
arches
golden.
pattern.
Yep, that's it. What's McDowell's? They got the golden arcs. Isn't that what it is?
Golden arcs.
So stupid, man.
Yeah, they got the golden arches. We got the golden arcs.
See wonder right here. I mean, it's like a
Okay,
demand
so-
line like that. That's probably the breakout point, don't you think? Looking at it, like 192. If it breaks, that's it, dude. It's time, to come home. Look, consecutive lower highs now.
Yeah, that looks pretty respected there.
Is that a lower high? I can't tell by the way.
Well, if you look at like the high from August 2019, long before, or not long before, but before Corona for sure.
Oh, okay.
And it topped out, and then February you made a lower high, or a lot of things were making higher highs before the crash. Like the collective, the index funds were making all-time highs before the crash. This wasn't. This made a lower high.
Yes.
So now it's making a lower high, but now it's possibly confirming that it's making the same high, which is in fact a lower high. And so that's like telegraphing maybe it's time a reversal, and then you continue on this trend that we're in,
Downward.
right?
Yeah.
The golden arches.
That's right.
Interesting.
They report pretty soon. It's going to be hard for them to keep costs down. Produce, everything cost is rising. And for them,
Oh, that's
You know.
horrible for them.
one thousandth
the
of
only
a cent rise in
they,
cost.
they have all the companies that make their produce though, so that's like the only benefit that they have is that they have basically become this giant conglomerate that doesn't just sell potatoes that they buy from another dude. They're selling potatoes to themselves, so that's the only up for if like that I see,
They're-
and that's coming from a guy that's in a restaurant industry.
Yeah, production, supply, distribution, own it all.
Oh, wait a
It's like
second.
the Ford Motor Company model, that's what.
Dude,
Yeah,
Ford.
A cartel model.
Yeah, I mean that's what Ford was doing when he was inventing the production line and all that. He owned mines in northern Michigan and controlled the supply of steel. That's how he was able to offer up, that new technology at a price that the everyday American could afford.
Makes sense.
Yeah, and Ford with the owning rubber. He owned tons of land in Brazil, and at one time owned an autonomous
Oh
zone
my
in Brazil
God.
just to get rubber
Where does
Dude.
to
L3
control the tires.
come up?
Dude, look at it now.
I know.
It's at 177.45 right now. So, wow, dude. I mean, this was posted a couple days ago. Someone asked for it, and then we looked at it and it's like, oh my God. And it's set up so perfect because this is the Jesus harmonic. This is like TRX BTC. This is like Bitcoin in 2019, 2018, 2019, right? This is like Activision Blizzard before its crazy run when it all started with that cipher. This is where LHX is. Well, I'm trying to pull it back up. Look at this. It's like overall uptrend, but correction pretty deep retrace correction from 2018 to the high of February 2020, right? So it's like deep retrace, so value perceived area. So at a value perceived area, after this correction, you paint this pattern. Nah, dude, this is going like to 209. Like, you know, the probability is so high based on everything now. I mean, this is what you want, man. Inverse head and shoulders also painted, but yeah.
That's a tasty cake.
Came down. You were there for a week or so, but I had two buys filled in there. Old support 168 and 161.50. It's on the weekly.
Yeah, 78% retrace and no deeper, really. That was it. That was the reversal point. Value perceived areas. Man, once people start really get, you know, in this community, you know, I think it's like every day more and more people start getting Fibonacci and what it really is used for. It's like a tool for measuring value.
And it helps so much, like, for your mentality to see where it can go and the probability, and being able to see, like, oh, so there's an argument for the bullish side, and if there's more of it that way, then you're going to feel like it's going to be able to go up a little bit more and feel safer in your trade. Plus the measuring is awesome.
It's a good compass for sure. It's like it is our compass.
Balance and fractals. It's, you know, that's why it's used in every industry.
Yeah, and like harmonics, I was thinking about this. It's like shower thoughts. Just thinking about harmonics as a tool of gauging when to take a trade. You know, because there's just so much chop. You know, like you like look up here and it's like really tough. Like what am I supposed to do with this? How do I trade, you know, LHX between August 2019 and like December 2019? You know, like you just kind of can't. Untradeable. Untradeable. So when you get to these pattern completion zones, it's like, okay, this is when I'm able to take a trade, versus just like, you know, there's so much chop, you don't really know. Structure's huge, man. Okay. Well, I mean, it's just like, it needs to be talked about. This one's insane, dude. You just don't get opportunities like this very often where we are on this chart. So, Jesus shines, really.
What's that?
Their earning is tomorrow morning. So that could be the catalyst right there.
The way it's up right now after hours is, I wonder if like a few percent, couple percent. But dude, Amazon, look at Apple after hours, 409.55. Just like floating on up, man. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy.
Apple's been doing such a steady increase. It has the corrections, but it's like it just keeps moving up. It just keeps going.
Yeah. That's the good guy was born.
I just thought of it.
It was
to
on
control
Apple.
the narrative.
It was
Yeah,
definitely
but-
on Apple.
Puts on Apple earnings.
Wow.
I think I need to watch that video again. Just so you can learn. So I can learn.
Dude, Nvidia's about to explode to the upside. You know, barring acts of the macro like freaking out and going bad. Like if everything stays normal, like Nvidia's about to just like break to all-time highs. Look at this thing, man. It's stupid.
I was looking at Vision today, and it kind of looked the same way.
Yeah. The ascending triangle, right?
Mm-hmm. In an
Yeah, man.
upward channel.
Yeah, dude. It makes so much sense because, like, if tomorrow, like, these assets today, these mega caps drive the market. All things are going to rise with it. Nvidia's about to just break critical resistance, so, like, bots are going to, you know, take to that, and you can see a big markup in price.
Del Taco looks
Whoa.
similar to MCDs with
Oh,
bearish
check,
div on
so-
RSI and
yes.
MACD.
Which one was tipped for? Oh yeah, let's see. Link. Yeah, Link, man. You know, hidden bullish divergence, sure. Sure thing. Daily MACD hidden bullish divergence. Bullish and golden candle yesterday on Link. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, dude. We have a breakout. Friggin' breakout. Well, that's good, man. Nice stuff, Radu, man. Thanks for bringing that up. So you could, I mean, where it is now, if the breakout's real, you'd think like you couldn't settle for anything less than like 890, like the top of the channel. You know, that'd be probably your target. Are you thinking about the 886, like 860, or the 786, 835? That's just not far, you know, that's not far away. But yeah, the bullish divergence manifesting into something more significant, right? MACD. Kind of like that on the RSI, like Class C bullish divergence. Where you double bottom on the oscillator. Dude, this is a good set, man. It's music. I don't know if y'all can hear it.
No, I have you muted on the YouTube stream, so I can.
Oh,
see
that's
what
right.
you're doing.
That's right. I forgot about the echo and stuff. Well, this should be people should be pinged about this.
It'd be cool if you could play the music like in this voice chat.
Like a music bot.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it.
I don't know if you could sync it.
Be something I have to figure out. There's just too many attendees right now, dude. Like, serious. Oh yeah, do y'all remember Pi? Pi, dude? Like, how do things... Oh my god!
It's China to me, China.
It's okay.
China.
Natural gas, please.
What's up, Jeffrey Yin? Can we take a bow? Can we, I mean, like, you know,
Whoa.
downtrend,
Look at that measure.
rising wedge, measured move. This was plotted, posted. This was requested before the breakout. This was near the demand line. 2 days later, yep, you've gapped down today. You hit that 100% measure move. And, yeah, the gap fill. The gap fill from May 15th. Filled it like the Jesus. Too good, man. And the divergence was there at the supply line. It doesn't get any better than this.
Please clap.
Nice.
Down 13.8%. Chris. Alright, I just wanted to check up on that one. That is... I have no words. No more words.
That's a good one.
Wow, what happened to TAP?
Earnings?
Just sold off. It did well in earnings. I heard that, and then didn't pay attention to the price.
Man,
just sold off throughout the day.
That falling wedge, though, dude. That divergence. Holy crap, man! Isn't that nuts? You hit the 50% retrace of the falling wedge, which is a profit-taking level, a modest one. Yeah, 200 moving average. This has been like a jungle gym of trades, dude, right? Jungle gym of patterns. The bullish bet into the inverse head and shoulders, into the falling wedge. Perfect.
Inverse head and shoulders with the right shoulder as a gap fill. And then ran up, pulled back. Maybe kind of another entry. Wow, it came back below. Yeah.
But something really important is the fact it's back above that $35 area. That is so important. It even back tested the spring right here, July 17th. Just remember, it's like, it's a very significant support. Let's see, go back to Yeah, like 2008. You go back to 2002. Man, that's insane. So you're above that now.
It did well for what they could do. I mean, the bars are shut. They can't sell booze at sports games.
Yeah.
It's like, what do you expect of us, guys?
So it's trying to get back above the 2012 lows, those valleys. So pretty significant. We've had this plotted here, and it's regarding it, respecting it as it should, or it will be destroyed. Tap. Oh yeah, what's the other one? So Jeffrey wants natural gas, but there's one more. Oh, Del Taco? Okay.
Yeah, I think they're just taco.
It's just
That's
Taco?
a publicly
my
traded
God.
company.
Yeah.
Wow, dude, I don't think I've...
Yeah, it's actually not
never.
terribly.
Double toppy. Like, maybe big time double
Yeah.
toppy. Look at the trend, you know? The trend is bearish. You know,
You're running into huge resistance. But
Is that
Yeah.
fucking handle?
like ice cream cone with handle, man. Yeah, I'll go to it here, Taco.
yeah,
Wow, what kind of rounding bottom action is that? That's beautiful, dude. That seriously is 4 hour.
474.
So wait, Del Taco, you should short them. They just discontinued their flatbread steak and chicken taco. It's a travesty.
Bruh.
There's a
Beyond
serious
Meat's kind of got
resistance, you're right.
got a head and shoulders, and Walmart is now carrying Impossible Meat.
Walmart long high 8.
Yeah, but Beyond Meat might
Sure
get
is
wrecked.
bullish looking. I mean, that structure, it's just, you know, it's accumulation, lots of accumulation. Yeah, you're just like butting up. If you break this, man, you're going to fill the gap at like 960 something on Taco. If it does reverse. I mean, like, it's like if it breaks it, you know where we're going probably. And that gap fill just happens to be at like 2018 support, 2019 support, also 2015 support, and like IPO prices. There you go, dude. Right? Jeez, that's your target, 972. If it breaks 830-ish. All right, man, that's a weird looking pattern, but it looks uber bullish. I mean, just like this, you know, looking on the daily. I mean, you could say, oh, this is definitely 3 rising valleys, dude. 1 valley, 2 valleys, and then your 3rd valley, Kappa. But who knows, man? If anything, another way to look at it is if it really did break to the upside and run or something, you know, structure size, just like you do with a cup with handle, also viable. Look, it takes you up to like major, like a really historical peak. That would be where it could run to, possibly, you know, just if market participants wanted to acquire more of this is where it could go. All right, Taco Connect.
It's hard. It's hard not to laugh.
Yeah, we're talking about tacos.
I know that. I remember when the IPO, and I was like, "What are they?"
Oh, Kirk is what he said.
I have to wait till it shows up on your screen.
Oh, yeah, okay, he said they like Del Taco started Taco Tuesday. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Man, look how discernible this was in the daily. It's ridiculous.
It was like 5 or 6 for a buck. Like that.
Oh, I don't think those exist where I live at all.
Yeah.
Well, maybe that's a great business to start.
Wait, say that again? It was really choppy.
I was like, maybe that'd be a great business to start over there. Some tacos.
I guess Taco Bell people, I guess, are cool with that over here. I don't know. No idea.
Taco Bell's the Yum Brands.
Okay, there you go. Yum Brands got a stranglehold on Alabama.
Well, they used to be Pepsi and Yum Brands now. Yum's been crushing it recently.
Oh my god, I'm scared, dude. Bitcoin's below 11K. It's all over. Anyone else get in on Ethereum Classic? Have fun with that?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm willing to get on
There's
the
some reporters tomorrow.
There's still like so much upside potential on it, man.
Yep.
Charter,
Yeah,
Abbey
which
By,
looks great,
Caterpillar. There's some big reporters.
The Ethereum call is fucking
Chevron, Old Dominion, Merck.
What, tomorrow? What are you talking
yeah,
about?
Mobil, Exxon Mobil, reporting before the open tomorrow. This is notoriously like that's like the finale is, because this used to be the heavy hitters. Tech was the appetizer.
The
a
old,
decade ago,
yeah,
15 years ago, and then usually you get a week off, and then the following week is some pretty big boys. Not huge impact ones, but important ones.
Enron, right, dude? Back in the day.
Enron.
Yeah.
Enron.
They had some. The guy was just.
There were some clever guys
pumping and dumping his stock. Yeah, their stock for him.
I also wanted natural gas. NG. Oh my god. This thing is like, oh my god, dude, natural gas on the 4 hour.
Tacos.
Whoa.
Now can we look at Sim 3?
Whoa.
And spin, please.
Yeah, we can look at tendies. Spin, please. Alright. I guess I'll actually, I don't know. Uh-oh, chugs and stuff. It's just different, man. It's different when you're like, keto. Look at this, dude. I have to digress real quick. I mean, are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me here? Like, what the... On the cusp of glory? I mean, somewhat. I mean, is that... After a lot of selling, this is appearing? This is happening? Almost... X, A, B, C, D stuff? Nah, probably not. Just sticking with that, man. That's the neckline. If it breaks that, you know, just say 100% measure move on natural gas futures.
Get long.
It's
and then with
China
Corona,
to me. China.
a bad
China.
You could
Natural
pay
gas kangs.
MDs.
Jeffrey, maybe, dude. Dude, you tell me. Maybe Kangs. Maybe Kangs. But the problem is, it's such a bearish
trade. Yeah, it's.
I guess it'll be. This is definitely doable. This is definitely not too bad. Well, on this, yeah, and this is like futures, so traders, man. Okay, they're seeing this.
Yeah.
They see this, dude.
Spot prices. You have really bad winters being forecasted. Demand's going to go up. So future shorts are always going to be a little bit different. That one short squeeze where the guy lost everyone's money. He was all in on shorting natural gas, lost all of his clients' money. Then they all got margin called. It's like,
yeah, dude. We were looking at that. That was so insane. That was like crazy.
Why would you ever do that?
He was
breakout, dude. We have a breakout on natural gas. At least
hedge fund managers. They're normally not. Just Matthew McConaughey from yeah, so he just short, and then because it's futures, there is no Yeah, all those people had to pay up.
Probably was,
Because they have to sell natural gas at
probably with friends with
a certain price
Elon
to
Musk.
these people who are getting to buy it much lower.
Wow, dude, look at this. This is unreal. You have like a breakout, and you made the classic divergence. This is like your typical XABCD stuff, predictable pattern. Look, man, you know how to do it, right? XA, B, C, D, right? A bearish cipher. So what could happen is breaks out, runs up to the PCZ, makes a lower high than its previous high, and does what it always does, and then it dumps the downside. So you could, if you don't like this, you could take a short on natural gas right there. That is beautiful, man. Let's go. And a 1618 confluence to boot.
Bruh.
It's clean.
Natch. Super Natch. Gas.
Hey Mitch, you don't have to look at the 10D chart if you don't want to. That was just a joke, dude.
Is it real though?
It is. It is real.
We're gonna look at it. I was
check
just
it out.
still on that request from before. I'm gonna post this real quick, dude. This is crazy. So you got like a potential long opportunity on natural gas futures, and in the future you have a wonderful shorting opportunity. How crazy is that? That's awesome. Thank you, natural gas, for Oh, dude, and let's not even act sneaky as F. Such a sneaky freaking spring, and then the back test of the effing spring. Do you see this? July 23rd? 7 days ago? Look at this. March of 2016. Hell, it has support, man. That's an ice line that you have back tested the spring on. You've broken out. Why is natural gas not going to moon now and go to 258? Argument too strong. Too strong. I feel like I'm taking crazy pills right now.
Good chart.
Hedge manager should have listened to you.
God.
So freaking beautiful, man. Such a strong argument for long. Even though it looks like it's kind of double topping here. That's maybe, it's going to back test, spend some time here, but well, let's go, dude. I can't even.
Any non-leveraged nat gas ETF?
I don't know.
UGAS and DGAS is gone. Those are like the staples.
Yeah, what is this? This is some S-Coin dumped 74%. S-Coin's gonna S-Coin, dude. What? It's like the... I don't know. The Pikachu dude, right?
Gold getting ready to push. 2,000 before 20,000, let's go.
Definitely gonna happen,
Gasp.
dude. Definitely gonna happen. This gold going. It's getting ready, man. Jeffy retired. Look at this, 1971. Oh, getting warm again. Oh yeah, dude. Starting to go. Late night gold stream. Beautiful. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. Bitcoin's doing the exact same thing, but Bitcoin is right here where 1787 is, July 7th, when the gold broke to the upside. Broke it. And it was so crazy, dude. Like, the comparative analysis here is nuts, because where we are, what we're testing is like 11,463, a major overhead resistance from history, right? Like one of the last ones. That's what we're butting up against, and the upsloping resistance, and that's gold's same situation, where 1791, I believe, was a major overhead resistance from history. Look at this. It was like one of the last ones. So it's like Bitcoin is almost doing its own carbon copy of gold, right? I mean, at this current time, whether it plays out or not, it's very
Just
uncanny.
delayed.
It's like, yeah, you can't compare Bitcoin to gold, except the free market looks like maybe it does compare them in ways. If the charts look identical, that means that market participants are looking at it the same way. Like if Bitcoin goes on the run and, you know, actually mimics gold and goes to like 16K.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, it's like
Sure
almost
looks
too
that way now.
almost too coincidental. Like there are no other charts really that look like Bitcoin and gold so much.
The halving is kicking in.
And that's
He
like
also
that's been the
mentioned,
roots
like
of
where the
Bitcoin.
miners wanted to start selling for profit.
100%. Question: do any of you guys mine?
I do not.
me.
Nope.
That's a no.
Need a big farm for it to make money these days.
But to make sense of free electricity, huh?
I mean, this is just
Wow,
like,
look at that. That's crazy.
yeah, it's like it actually is gold, dude. But it's just like, I don't know. This is
I mean,
gonna
that
get
was
played.
Bitcoin's
Silver
branding
next
for a long time was branding it as
Yep.
digital gold. So
Yep.
that
Digital gold.
makes sense.
Well, you
Millennial
know,
gold.
We're long Nat Gas futures.
let's go, dude. Nat gas.
Let's go.
See you at
I
258.
still have some of my Euro USD trade on. The cheap
Oh
foot.
yeah, so nice, dude.
I have a third of it left.
Check out silver next to those two.
Oh my god, dude, that's so fantastic. Let's go, dude. You're approaching 1.20906. Look at this, dude. This is just the daily. I mean, minor resistance coming up, but it all started with like a double bottom, but also an inverse head and shoulders. We want to look at palladium. Or platinum. One of them was showing a crazy double bottom. But look at this, man. Inverse head and shoulders into a bull flag, into a breakout of back test, and then you're gone. Like this. Do I have it up? No, I don't, man. My work didn't save on this. I don't know why I keep coming to this, but 100% measure moves up here of the flag. Remember on stream, like, see, I started it right here. It was like kind of conservative. Yeah, you breached that, man. Good God, you're just going.
Monk ass.
I took some profit at that peak, and then the measurement, and then I left it run and as a trailing stop loss on it.
That is the raging effing bull right there, dude.
That was from when I sent you a picture of the position. It wasn't long after entering it. Yeah, forex move like that is a lot of freaking money on one contract.
People get rich, man.
The money printer.
Yeah, go Burr. Oh man, the US dollar is terrible, dude.
China. How does dollar look on the XE?
Oh, it's awful. 92.65. Boom, right here. Broke that 93.80 support. Back tested it as resistance, and then followed through this price action, and has now finally achieved 92.56. Wow, it hit it, dude. Let's go. Friggin' hit it. There it is, dude. Yep. August 2017, November 2017. And then you got January 2018. That was it, dude. Oh, below that, man. Oh, man. 91.76, I guess. And then after that, yeah, you're screwed. It could be really good for Bitcoin, though. I mean, that could be like awesome for gold, but if you talk about reward to risk and we look at these two charts right here, you say great for Bitcoin.
I mean, that's a meme now. Everything's great for Bitcoin.
True. It's like
so they're
people-
gonna artificially make the stimulus checks better. They'll give it out when the dollar's cheap and pump the dollar up and be like, there you go. You got an extra 8%. Oh man.
Makes sense, right?
I mean,
And having these
like
headphones
other,
on. so
other
weird.
countries have. Well, now Japan is going Corona crazy, but yeah, there's less risk in other countries, so, and more opportunity investment-wise. So money moves out of the dollar.
Platinum. Let's look at platinum.
Okay. Platinum Connect. Oh, sweaty jalapenos. What's up, dude? Which one is it?
Y'all hear about the Perth Mint and Uphold establishing a gold-backed stablecoin? It'll actually trade 1-to-1 $1
Perth Mint.
dollar in for
That's
1 ounce
interesting.
at Perth or with shipping. True story.
Perth looks like a really cool city. I saw a video of that city sort of skyline a couple of days ago. It's pretty cool.
Looking at my watch list real quick. One. Oh, that's right. That's right. Oh my god, yeah, dude. Yeah. It was the same thing. It was the same thing. Oh my god, yeah. Sorry. Oh.
When we're behind you and we have no idea what you're just moaning and groaning about.
Sorry.
Yeah.
No.
It's like ASMR
for traders.
We don't know what's going on, but yeah.
You will.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Charting ASMR.
Is it that
Oh
delayed?
my god.
Is it that delayed?
Like 10 seconds, so 6 to 10 seconds.
Not as bad as it used to be, but it's a little delay.
So 960, I mean, that was resistance plotted. You go back, it's since time immemorial, we've been testing this 960 area. And go to the daily, I guess. Can't really see the beauty though. Oh yeah, dude, this one. Remember another three Rising Valley's on platinum. You see it, man. You know it's sweet. You know good stuff can happen. This was like the huge one. And it didn't get quite to that measured move. Well, you know, the whole world came tumbling down before it could, back test support, and then it starts rallying, and then, yeah, again, cash grab. So, but, you know, it did test that really strong resistance. I mean, extremely powerful. February 2017, September 2017, February 2018, October 2015, freaking August 2015. Too many times, man. So, you had a breakout, and then it was a great breakout, too. You know what I'm saying, man? It was like the stage was set for Platinum to be kings, and then Corona destroyed it, like ruined it. We would have gotten away with this amazing, huge run to the upside if it wasn't for that meddling COVID Wuhan virus from China, communist China government, right? Okay.
Yep. China.
You're not wrong.
Okay, so we're gonna try again on platinum, I guess. So hidden bullish divergence for sure, right? I mean, like if we pivot here, if platinum pivots here, it's like you just look at the RSI, it's so clear, you know, the low and then the higher low with lower levels relative strength. 4 hour anyway, you know, so it's gonna get something, but it may not be able to break 915, or it may just manifest into a lower high than your previous high. Already been a great run. Okay, that was platinum. Get right. What's up, Abdullah? How you doing, man? Good to see you, dude. Alright, so remember that time we looked at soybeans? You probably don't, but it's continuing to rally. Right, this is like going back to July 2018, a low, a lowest low, and then a higher low. And then, of course, you're above this 2009, 2015 major support. But what I fear now, oh God, you know, I fear on soybeans, you get a pullback to back test it as support before you go again. But look at this double bottom right here. But then X, A, B, C, D, you're approaching a 786, almost like a cipher. Yeah, this could definitely pull back in time. But just, it's like lower value areas. Or, you know, lower risk, higher reward areas. Oh, I know what it was. It was palladium that was showing the insane stuff.
Soybeans look pretty good.
But palladium got wrecked.
Palladium broke out and got wrecked, yeah.
Yeah, dude. It's like just ran up and it was almost like, look, that Fibonacci, right? A deep retrace from there. X, A, B, C, D. Like bearish bat. Let's try it. I mean, just for hindsight, just for fun.
We'll see how the day finishes on futures, but the big red candle, 3 black rows that basically.
Oh my God. You gotta be
Oh.
kidding me, dude. Look at that. That's so stupid. Wow. I mean, sucks didn't see it before, but you know, I did miss that. Certainly I did. So that is just, it didn't quite get there, but it's the Jesus, man. Like 86, 85%. That's how it works, man. And talking this like commodities, forex. Yeah, harmonics work really well on forex.
Yeah, on the forex. Yeah,
Huh?
look at the futures one. Futures are quite different, but
Harmony, dude.
you can use them both to look at it, and it ran right into previous highs and dumped. It needs to become a commodities trading desk.
What do you guys trade for? Guys, is like
Trade everything. All of a sudden,
Oh wow, thanks for the 460 plus people tuned in. Yeah, I forgot, man. When the volatility is back, it's like even these streams have some higher than average views. Whatever happened to Ocean, man? Did it get wrecked? Or did it moon? I think it mooned. Oh my God, yeah, like it definitely mooned a little bit more. Hit the double topping at the 2618. All started with a crazy dragon, legendary dragon. Leviathan, right? Isn't that what they are? Leviathan? Because it's ocean and it's a dragon, so it's like an ocean dragon.
Yeah.
Back me up here.
Loch Ness Monster.
That sounds right.
Loch Ness, yeah, let's say
Could be Nessie. Yeah, we could have Nessie here.
Yeah, Nessie.
Oh boy. Hold on, should I do it? Let's see, probably be better this way. Oh, we have a new 4-hour candle, by the way. Okay, yeah. What the heck, man? Why is this not extremely easy to find on the internet? We'll find it. Yeah, all right, here we go. Last week, Japanese scientists placed explosive detonators at the bottom of Lake Loch Ness to blow Nessie out of the water. Sir Godfrey of the Nessie Alliance summoned the help of Scotland's local wizards to cast a protective spell over the lake and its local residents and all those who seek for the peaceful existence of our underwater ally. That's it.
What?
I had to. No?
What?
Is this real life?
Godzilla versus the Loch Ness Monster.
Suko.
Logan.
Hey, good.
What's up, man? Where you been? You been sleeping?
Oh my god.
I saw you muted up in here.
Another world. I got a double Pepe love from Julia. It says to give you a big love.
Double Pepe.
Dude, Noise. Hey, Noise, thanks for you're the second person to purchase the new interesting logo merch shirt. It's a tank top though. Dude, what's up, Noise? Also purchasing a classic pullover hoodie. Thanks so much, Noise.
Nice.
Very cool.
Nice.
So that's like 10% discount. Like, I hope he did it. Like, you can. There's a discount for merchandise right now up until Saturday. It's like a thing that Teespring's allowing me to do. And it's just like, why would I not offer it if they're offering it? You know? They're just doing it, you know. It's helpful for everyone, I guess. Gold is so good. What's up?
Can you show silver next to one of those charts?
You talking about Bitcoin? Like, which one should it replace, Bitcoin or gold?
Either.
Oops. Yeah, I'll... Yeah, I looked at this a little different. Crypto Tiger, man. What's up, dude? He says, thank you for your great service, Mitch, man. Thank you for the support, dude. Enjoy your merch. It's gonna be nice, dude. You're down there in the southern hemisphere. Isn't it cold still down there? Maybe? Down under? Crazy? I don't know. Alright.
Looks pretty similar.
So the silver looks more similar to gold, right? But insane. I mean, you probably could have plotted a channel too here, but I mean, again, it was just like the inverse head and shoulders. Wasn't really looking at it like an actual channel or anything. Yeah, it just didn't look the same. But performance was very similar, right? Oh, dude, what's up? At one for my workshop, one for the hiking water bottle hype in the chat. Thanks for he bought the die cut sticker, which is now available. You can also get a face mask with the logo. You know, just it's there, but
no way.
Yeah, you go to the sticker and there's like an option to make it a face mask.
Yes.
All right, let's go back to the.
No, I've not seen Midway. Whoever said that in the chat.
Man, the daily on Bitcoin's gorgeous. So nice.
That's wild.
What, the chart?
Well, the flag, the reaccumulation, the right angle, descending pattern, everything.
The monthly closing tomorrow. The second, it will be, if things stay the same now, it will be the second, right, highest price where traders have ever settled up. You know, on the monthly.
It's like one thing after another. You can just like list them off and like fill up like a whole checklist of awesome reasons.
Coinciding variables.
Yeah, dude, it's definitely an argument with the charts.
Yeah, the plumbing, the on-ramps for capital to get involved in the space, everything.
We're just spending time above this, support resistance from 2019, and that's it. Like, it wasn't around in 2017, 2018. So you're just above that now. Ursula!
Bruh.
Become so deaf when it's playing here
A
in the
share of
headphones.
BAC including any fees.
I know
Also
that
trying
they
to
didn't
trigger
hit
Belushi.
Bank of America Connect? Yeah, right, dude.
It's looking good, actually, I think.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah. Look at this. I just... Look at that accumulation, just 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, you're right. It is really turning out to be Momo shifting. Look at that action. That's really nice. Very, very nice. You could look at it a couple ways, man. But if that's the case, it's like you got one little breakout right there. That's kind of like it, dude. It's like a pseudo ascending triangle where you got this sell wall right here. And that's kind of the breakout point. You had these up thrusts and these fake outs there. But this had hidden bullish divergence there too. And that was, yep, there it is, man. This is beautiful. Oh, wow, dude. Quinny, you're the first person. Says, just say no to Rhoda. Let's go, dude. Leroy Jenkins for that. Thanks, Quinny, man. Boom. You'll always be the first, dude. But this is fantastic, right? 25.29 is not just a sell wall, right? I think it's back from history. Yep, there it is, dude. Critical resistance, February 2017, July, August 2017. So that is a big point. If you break that, you could understand why we'd get a really nice, decent markup in price, because every single time before we have, right? Look, September 2017, when Bank of America broke that, all right, like it just went up in price, all-time highs. Well, not all-time, yeah. Let's just say multi-year highs, because it's like the global financial crisis thing was much higher. Right, once you broke above Bank of America's 25.29, right? Once you broke it, look at the price action after. Look what happened even here. June 3rd, when you broke that resistance, you had a massive run up and then you dumped. But now, we're back at it, dude. And if we break this, history could repeat itself on Bank of America, or we have a huge route at the upside, a big markup in price. That's crazy, dude. And I think your first target, of course, probably just gonna be easy enough, $28 or just $29 from here. And then after that, you got gap fills, dude. You got a gap fill at 30.64. Great, that's a target. You don't even have to use Fibonacci because all the freaking gaps. Look at this, dude. It's ready-made targets for us. Perfect on BAC. This could be good for a position, to hold for a little while. Dude, Rick Schmitz, man, thank you so much. Says respect. Appreciate the merch perch. Enjoy it. It's an awesome one from Wayne Batson. Are we cool? Is everything we got problems, dude?
Guys. Should I buy a house on a lake? It's called Moon Lake. I might be moving soon.
Moon Lake. That's awesome, dude.
I'm not kidding you.
A place called Shady Acres.
I'm be looking for Mars Lake, dude. There's got to be a Mars Lake somewhere in America.
Whatever happened to our Titty Island, Jeff?
Titty Island died.
Oh man.
Like I had the buy wall up forever. They just shut it down on me.
Rest in peace.
It's not like traditional markets where
Of course, there's a Mars Lake. It's in Wisconsin. Perfect. Mars Lake. I'm gonna go there. You can live on the moon. I'll live on Mars. All right.
Okay, let's do it, dude.
Fantastic, dude.
Hey, Mitch, check out the cipher on Bank of America on the monthly.
Oh.
Bullish.
Starting from February 1st.
Oh, wow. Is that a 786, dude?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, jeez. 50%. 1, 2. Yeah, that's fine. And it's a little shallow. But yeah, it's like kind of the idea of it is very interesting here, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. And look, that's bearish convergence there. Crap. So yeah, but like on the monthly, this isn't even that visible. But we know the weekly it really is, and daily. So you break 25 bucks, man, big markup, right? 33 and 36.
If you look left on the monthly when the market was crashing, I've got an 18. Look how that ice line or that area.
18.
Bank of America just 18 on the monthly. You can see that one area that just could not get broken forever and ever.
Yeah, dude, that's the place we're at. You know, it's like the estuary.
It almost looks like 3 rising valleys, and it's
Yep.
balancing it now.
1, 2, 3, or like it's 4 of them too, or it was like an ascending triangle, right? Kind of. You know, around 1980.
Oh yeah.
Almost just like this. Yeah, and you just like back tested it, like, geez. Monthly, dude. Tripping out. Some serious chart porn going on. Hey, JR, man. Pepe says cheers. Alright, so I think it's time to talk about this for a second, unfortunately. So that Pepe mug is going away this weekend forever because it's copyright. And there's actually someone in our Discord that said something about it, and it's just like, you know, I mean, whatever it is, we're gonna take it down because we don't want to worry about it. So with this sale on the mugs, I'm gonna buy one too. Like, you better get it now because it's done. On Saturday, we're taking it down. Taking the Pepe mug down.
Baby.
Yeah, it's really limited edition, like 2-3 weeks. And you can use a discount code.
The original Pepe creator, you know, he's cool. That'd be awesome if he.
There's history about this.
Get a call or something.
Well, I don't want to deal with that because I already take a huge cut from Teespring. I don't want to be like taking cuts of cuts and then have to like calculate, all right, how many mug purchases did I do? Because like all the other merch isn't his crap, right? So it's just a headache, and just assume not to deal with it.
Yeah, it wouldn't be worth it, but it'd be so cool to have an official Matt Fury approved Pepe.
Yeah. It'd be cool, but he's like, if it wasn't for all the crap going on, like, you could Google the guy's name, Matt Furie, like Furie, and you could type in that Pepe and then copyright, and there's just like a Wikipedia page about it. It's just like obnoxious, and so it's like, if it was anything but that, you know, and then we have a Karen in our Discord also, you know, call. Since you've called it out, we're done by Saturday with that.
Yeah, the first article
literally
that
has
came
to
up that is Pepe the Frog's creator just won a $15,000 copyright settlement against InfoWars.
Yep.
So, wow.
Wow.
Yeah, dude.
You know, so that's a pretty big name, you know, media-wise.
Yep.
That's
so.
okay.
Can I give you permission for the Twitch laugh out loud guy? Because that's
you,
me,
dude.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's one thing. You can use it, right? You can use the Pepe. Like, I could use Pepe right now, emojis, and spam in the chat if I want, right? But it's about the monetization of of it, right? It's like trademark law.
I think it's fair use, probably.
Yeah, I can't use it for profit. Personal profit.
Yep.
Mitch, you could always use the mugs as a loss leader and just give them away.
Wait, what?
You could just give them away and just use them as a loss leader.
What, for taxes?
No, dude, I'm just messing around, but
oh,
you know, loss leader, it's something that you give away to like attract people to buy certain products or whatever.
BDG, man, thanks so much, dude, for supporting the stream. Enjoy your very limited edition mug that will be going away Saturday. So, and hopefully you got the 10% discount, which is very real. So you can get the mug and save 10%. Wow. Can't even believe it. It's a Hot Flash 10 right here on Teespring.
Is that really the code though? Hot Flash 10.
Yeah, it is. That's like what it is. Look, you go to the merch tab and you'll see it.
That's pretty funny.
Is that a joint?
Pseudo ascending triangle with hidden bullish div on cake. Kinda similar
Yeah,
to
it's
the
Moon Lake,
BAC.
man. It's looking pretty promising. There's some nice houses on that.
Cake. It's been so long. Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah, they just had earnings yesterday or whatever.
Okay, so the weekly deep retrace, like really deep. It's almost like huge harmonic, man. What the Cheesecake Factory? Are you kidding me? Are you a bullish bat pattern? Oh my sweet Jesus, you kind of are a bullish bat pattern. Like really? I mean, you didn't quite get there, man, right? 200% retrace? Yeah, like look where you reversed right, the 200% retrace. 85%, come on dude. Like bullish bat connect on cake on the weekly. Let's go. It is time to rise. That's a crazy looking bat, man. So don't feed the wolf. As a comment collector, you had me at limited edition. Stocks on this mug are going up. Yeah, until they literally are gone. For sure. Wheeler. Your target would be like, I think if you're looking at this on the weekly and to trade it on the weekly, you'd be like saying, all right, we're going for 2006 prices. That's the target, 38.97, down 4.25%. So you talk about an investment position trade. I just don't know, man. The fundamentals are so
Stubbs
low.
is going to be in there for a while.
Yeah, dude, Stubbs will be there.
Opportunity
$60.
With deflation, he makes no profit if it gets to 60.
Screwed, man. Yeah, that's very true. It's gonna be so slow. Anyway, well, at least we know like value perception area, or maybe like bullish patterns to trade in the short term. I'm a sucker for limited edition Crypto Tiger. There you go, man. There you go, the Pepe mug, man. But yeah, let's see. Now it's like three Rising Valley stuff. It's like a classic accumulation pattern. Two peaks, pretty much three valleys. This is yeah, that's it, man. Or potential. It's setting up the same way Bitcoin's set up, right? Setting up the same way like Cough, and there are many others, dude. SSI or T. I know T is effed up, dude. SST. But yeah, man, look.
Broadening wedge.
Yeah, you got that.
Lot of room to run to the upside.
Yeah. So the confirmation line is right here on the second peak. I mean, if it's real life, dude, who knows? Like, what happens if like all tech keeps running up and then like a few weeks later money comes out to go into these and it's just to trade it? I don't know. It's weird. So Zach, dude, he says mug train. Let's go mugs. Mug train. It's over on Saturday, man.
The interview with that with Matt's lawyer said that he was only suing over Pepe's attached to hateful causes.
That's what we read. We looked at that, but at the same time, it's like it still is his work.
It's a liability.
Yeah, exactly. It's just trying to tie up all the revenue I make, you know, with what he should get a percentage of. But it's like it shouldn't be like that.
True either.
Yeah, it's it's tricky, man. It's like intellectual properties. We live in that age. Also, Crystal, she says, I had to get another one. You said limited edition. It's a liquidation sale. Mug Train. That's right. Thank you, Crystal. Support the stream, but hey, yeah. Grabbing the Pepe while you can. Better Call Saul. Yeah, we'll do that. So this is pretty interesting. I mean, all right, let's just be real here. If it actually does play out on Cake, we're just talking about 100% measure move. JR, what's up, dude? It says Hodl Pepe. And that's a breakout. That's a rare Vegas breakout Pepe. That's exactly what that is. So if Cake was ever to make this measured move, dude, we're talking 46.55. I mean, this is what dreams are made of in terms of the way it looks. It looks almost, I mean, textbook. Volkowski be like, dang, dude, I approve of this message, you know? Like, seriously, look at it, dude. Of course, you gotta, like, take in consideration, like, the peaks and stuff. I would say, like, 38.97 be a first target, and then maybe...
I approve of the milky white thighs of King.
The Kick.
Move. And
Severe.
succumbing to the most barren urges. Oh.
What was that? What just happened?
Volkowski's nobody book.
Oh, is that what he said? Is that a quote? I didn't know that, man.
I'm gonna make an audio version for all the patrons, and it's just, no, I'm gonna hire some like a voice actor.
I volunteer.
No, wait, you have the voice, Sukosh.
Yeah, it sounds like the book's really messed up.
Yeah, but
I mean, I haven't read it, so
we need to get a woman to read it. It's all. I don't think we're targeting the female audience in our Patreon.
True.
All three of them.
Dude, let's go. Thank y'all for the mug purchase. Crypto Dinero, and then we had Lucky Lurker. Thank you, dude. Thanks for everything that you do to educate and elevate the community. I'm so grateful for finding your channel. Cheers, Mitch. Spin the wheel. Oh, man. We had to spin the wheel for every mug. That's nice. It's terrible. And then we had Aaron Morgan purchase a mug. He says, thanks for the great education, Mitch. Thank y'all for the very kind words and support. And then Cruz Daenerys said, let's go Pepe Moon to Moon, or Mug to Moon. And then you got Rick Schmitz, Mug Train. And then Anonymous bought a mug. Okay, thank you, Anon. And then Anon just bought a comfort tea. And then Anon just bought another comfort tea. Wait, what? How is this happening? Dude, we're like a lot of...
When you talked about it, everything's just firing through at once.
Yeah, it's like it's still coming.
A little bit of time.
Well, it pops up in the, like, I'm looking at where it'll show up instantly if someone buys it, and then like the Stream Elements or Streamlabs is like delayed because there's all these other, it's happening at the same time. A certain train. Thank y'all. Anon. Really appreciate that, dude.
Hey Brad, I guess you could say my avatar is a mug shot.
Oh my god.
Put on.
AMD is like killing them.
Yeah, AMD's, yeah, it's like a, you know, we read a legendary book, and it's kind of like the book ended and it was amazing, and it was like the best thing we've ever read in our lives. You know, that was the journey of this trading range.
Yep.
So Hans and Franz purchased a mug. Cannot wait to drink the tears of my enemies from this festive Pepe mug. Thank you, man. Thank you, Hans and Franz. Really appreciate it, dude. Yeah, there is that. Do not forget to type in that code. If y'all are buying all this merch, please type in the code HOTFlash10 in the Teespring before you buy. Kyle Wolf, man, thanks so much for purchasing the mug. Give me to Pepe HOTFlash10 promo code 10% off. Thank you, dude. Wow. Give me to Pepe. Okay. Still a lot of y'all in here. What's up? How y'all doing, lurkers? So many lurkers in this voice chat this evening.
I had a
What's up?
secondary appointment I had to get to. I'm back. But I'll be
Good.
watching. He was lurking while they're buying mugs. I bought my mug
Boom.
last week.
AMD book was definitely the best I've ever read. Yeah, me too, man. It was just legendary. I don't know, the Nvidia legend back in 2016, 2017, and it's still an ongoing book. It's like we're on the book 3 or something of Nvidia now. But yeah, but I just feel like, this was the one, dude, that was range bound, and it was, dude, the repeatable patterns, right? Remember we brought it up, the comparative analysis.
Same thing.
Yeah, it's like
31 to 38 for all of 2019.
Yeah, it's exactly the same, and this was not even something that we talked about that like multiple times in the analysis. Too much inactivity in Patreon, by the way, Kappa. Give me a break. I don't want to hear it, man.
He shorted the bottom when he said that.
Yeah.
Ouch.
Good.
I played it. It's all good.
Can we look at TPR?
Tapestry. Oh man.
They just
it's barely holding on, man. Barely holding on. Kind of like State Street a little bit, but not as bad. But yeah, it's just kind of extending. You're still making kind of a higher low. You really just want to hold here. But yep, it's a whole bunch of nothing burger for a while, right? This is where, we should start getting elevation in price if it's actually to play out. You run up, test the, look, you're kind of like 4-hour double bottoming too. So it's like kind of on a shorter time scale confirming that this daily bottom is real. But you're just not maybe catching enough bids sideways. It could it's not over. It's like you just had to hang tight on this one,
Like one more negative momentum island. And then on the next positive momentum island, we'll start making moves.
James, thanks so much for the mug, dude. He said, Pepe mug mooning. Yes, it is, because it's going away on Saturday. So get wrecked.
Nice to see all that love for that design before it goes.
Yeah, dude, it's great. It's your rendition, your vision. There's Kang Logan. Buy the mug. I'm just gonna do it now. I'll buy one. Let's see, maybe I can do it. Is it easy to do?
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
Definitely do it on my phone.
We're on the stream.
Yeah.
If there's a Karen in chat that knows him, put us in touch with Matt Fury. Love to talk to him.
Like the person said they knew him.
Yeah.
That's what all Karens say.
So which one should I get, the black or white?
I just got the white because the color doesn't go all the way through the handle.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I agree.
consistent.
I mean, I can show you a picture of the black one in the chat.
Send it.
Put it in general. Brad, can you put it in general so everybody can see?
I'll do this off stream, so they're asking for all my info. I'll do it later. It's all good. Before Saturday for sure. When it gets taken down. Oh, sweaty jalapenos, man. The super chat. Just wrecking the session high tip. Oh wait, sorry. I'm getting used to reading the
Sweaty Jalapenos super chatted $30. Just 3 King session high tip. Also spin it twice, once for now and once for my IOU from Pusha. Night. Wasted spins lol.
Hey, Sweaty Jalapenos, unfortunately, the way Stream Elements is, Super Chats and tips, like through Stream Elements, are different, and so it only accounts for the session top is like for the tips through Stream Elements. So, unfortunately, it seems like Come In Ursula is still there. It's not going to change. But yeah, thank you, dude. And also, Google takes 30%, so isn't that, I don't, you know. Thank you, dude. I really appreciate it. Wasted spins. Also spin twice, dude. I think I owe like 50 spins.
Lord Ray, can you chart correlations of between crude oil, gold, and BTC? Thanks, Ma'an.
Dave from Chandler, Arizona. Thank you, dude, for the threes. Oh, you want me to do a comparative
Where is
analysis?
Julia?
Where's Julia?
Working?
Yeah, I think so. So, I mean, like, wheel spins, dude. Like, you know, this is... probably like 500. Logan wrecked. There's Logan wrecked. Whatever.
Oh, nice.
Alright, there you go. Check base wrecked.
Yeah, you owe a couple drinks, Logan.
Oh, I'm sorry. I probably... yeah, if I drank it all now, I would...
$TGTX check up PLS
so many times.
They said it. They would say it was Corona that got me.
Yes, sir.
You all will witness the truth.
Realize Logan.
Post that link. Oh yeah, I did. I did. Nice. Oh man, why are we looking at this again, dude? Isn't this crap or something? TG Therapeutics?
3 calling.
No, it's not. I can't even remember what it was. Oh yeah, maybe. Oh my god, this thing used to be like thousands of dollars. Yeah, it was a range, and you broke out of the range, but you're back in the range, and it was based on bearish divergence. Okay, yep, look at this. All right, TGTX. Thanks for all you do, TA Rules. Thank you so much for purchasing the merch. Thank you, dude. Rare Pepe. It will be gone Saturday. Alright, so this huge range. Back from November 2012. March 2015. Zachary Schneider. Thank you for purchasing the mug. It says, cheers to you, brother. Thanks for all you do. And keep doing your thing. Cheers to the best community in trading and crypto. Yes, sir. I agree. Wholeheartedly. Thank you, man. Here goes Radu. Thank you, man. He says, FOMO, I had to get one. A yellow Pepe mug. Alright. That's cool. Like Oregon Ducks, man. If you're an Oregon Duck, you would drink that on game day.
It's super limited edition.
Jake needs a 6-pack of shot glasses, dehydrated milk on the Cavs Connect. Yeah. His nickname has to be Spike. If Jake's nickname is not Spike, I wash my hands of
Does
this.
it come up? I bought 6. Just shows
one showed up, but I think the other one's.
Bought 6.
But I think maybe other people are too. Wayne Redson, let's go, dude.
The mug whale.
Teespring gonna be hitting me up, man. Yeah,
He's
dude.
invested.
He's gonna
Right?
sell.
He's gonna sell them on eBay.
turn around and sell them back to you for $25 a piece.
Dude, no. I guess it only did show one.
Taking along in bugs, dude.
Angel Roldan. Can we replace the Pepe mug with the bread mug? Ah, yeah, we could do that. We could do that. Brad has another.
I can get that set up. I can work on that one tonight.
Okay, there we go. Because that was like it. We were like, what was gonna fill the void? You know, the Pepe. I guess that makes sense. Instead of Pepe, hey, we should copyright the bread, dude. Right? Yeah, no one can copy our toasty.
Oh, what do you think about putting that tip jar on the other side of the bread mug with the logo on?
Oh, we could. See what people think. You know, we could. I mean, it seems fine.
Yeah, I'm gonna post an image of it in merch chat. See if we can get some feedback on it. What you guys think?
CB, man, thank you, dude. Let's see, real quick.
Merch spike.
Merch spike, indeed.
So
The black
ironic
mug looks
because
dope, honestly. I like how the color splits on like the colored mugs. Like they're pretty cool.
CB says
It's not a detrimental.
Oh, crap. I'm just looking at it.
CB says, I was the anonymous purchase of the 2 shirts and 1 mug. Buying 2 more mugs. Keto coffee is the best. Thank you for the education. My trades have been epic ever since I found you, dude. Thanks so much, CB, man, for the very kind words and support the stream. Wow. Don't make me cry, man. Cheers to joy.
All right, I posted the image in merch chat if you guys want to vote on whether we should add that on a mug.
You should make it overflowing.
Oh, yeah.
I can add more to it, yeah.
So Link is breaking out. It broke out, confirmed, and is now back tested the breakout. So let's go, Link. Maybe it's time to rise. Spend enough time consolidating, and look what it did. Remember on Link, remember this old incredible uptrend we were in? All you did was in your downtrend, you tested the downsloping demand line at the same time of testing the upsloping old supply line as a demand line. I think that's it. I think there's maybe, is there anything looking left? No, that's it, dude. That's crazy where it bounced. Oh, and the 200 moving average, right? There was like confluence of three different supports right there all together. It's like X marks the effing spot, and look at Link now. Wow. How about that, man?
We're just pirates going for the X.
Ah, dude, the X, man. You will find digital gold.
X marks the spot.
That's right. Whatever happened to her, dude? But yeah, on TGTX, man, this is a really high risk area for long if you're in a range like this. But at the same time, it could break out the upside, man, and go to moon, right? If it did 38 to 25 in time. But man, this is where big reversals can happen. This could have a big sell-off, and this could come to back test the old down-sloping resistance as support. It never did. It just blasted through it. So you think like that could easily happen before it rallies and runs again. So buyer exhaustion on a daily time scale at the top of a trading range that goes all the way back to 2015. Thank you very much.
Bruh.
Okay. 11,038 on Bitcoin. Who cares, man? Who freaking cares?
Could be pivoting.
Oh my god, dude.
Who cares?
Mambo number 9. Bull. Hey, man. You got it, right? Hidden bullish evidence, upsloping, insane flag.
Just waiting on that momentum to start waning.
Yeah, dude, for real. It was. And then it's like, but nothing happened. All you did was hold above 10,950.
It's just another higher low. Like it's gonna
Yeah, it really is. Anon, man, thanks to the mug perch. That might be you. CB, wasn't it? Said you're buying a couple more.
I'm gonna buy them in bulk, sell them after the value goes up.
It's just funny. Like now, people are like, "Oh, I'm gonna wait for 10,500." It's like, okay, dude, good luck. Have fun waiting, because like you had all the time to buy, and now it's like you had just an insanely significant, one of the most significant breakouts I've seen in a long time. Like a really big one on the weekly and monthly.
Sentiment's
Dude,
bullish. We might not even get a chance to get a 10.5.
Well, you did. You went down and it got bought up. You went down there. You went 10,570, 10,550 on other exchanges, and you tested that.
Okay.
Yep, perfectly. Let me show you what it did on. I think it was. Hold on. Was it Gemini? I think I was doing it on. Yeah, look at Gemini. All right. So what did it do? Right, wasn't it? Or was it Tether? Oh, yeah, it was Gemini. All right, so if you see this high from October 25th, 2019, it's pinpoint accurate 10,613, right? Well, look what Bitcoin did on this exchange. It goes down and it touches it like the Jesus one time. It says, hi, this was once major, unbreakable resistance, unsustainable price action above it resistance, holds it as support, and look where we are now, above 10,950, which look left is the other high from August of 2019, September of 2019. If you look at Gemini's exchange, it's doing literally the Jesus type touches. with the hidden bullish
Can you
efforts.
go check? Can you like check out the 1 hour on that touch?
Yep. You want more touches than one, man? You didn't, man. It was.
Just, you know,
oh, look at the hammer.
See if it was like a flash dump because you never know.
Beautiful hammer. 60 minutes.
Wow, look at that.
And then we zoom out, so you just make sure authenticity check, right?
Yeah, they showed like 2 hammers. It was almost like a stop hunt.
Look at this, dude. Look how perfect and pinpointed it is. This is October, right? This is like the insane day. October 25th, 2019. You went down, touched it. Mouse. Look where we are now. Okay, so like maybe Coinbase, you're not getting as good of a picture painted, but Gemini here really puts things in perspective where you've done it, man. That was it. Overwhelming demand. Wow. Okay.
Unbelievable.
That's the Winklevoss action for you. It's on their own exchange.
It's the 2 perfect. Oh yeah, probably, man. Let's go. So
yeah,
they
you're talking composite, man. Holy, I mean,
Composite Man is now doing everything he possibly can to manipulate the news, the media, get them to talk about it. He's doing everything now. It's over. His hand is shown. He was quietly doing it down here. Now he just wants everyone and their mother to buy Bitcoin. That's the whole Wyckoff thing, dude.
It's on CNBC.
It's on CNN. It's everywhere.
It's crazy.
Anon.
And it's not even mooning. It used to take a moon event for it to happen. And, you know, this is kind of like a reaction after the reaccumulation.
Right.
Exactly.
He just had a small move up, really. It's not even that big.
How is he gonna? He's not gonna let. He doesn't want the price to go down anymore. He's not gonna let it. It's too late.
It's
like
over,
that's the whole thing. Too many people now are like, okay, I'm just gonna wait for 10.5, even though it already touched. Right? We know that. I'm waiting for 10.5 for real this time. A second touch. I'm waiting for 2 touches at 10.5 after 10 weeks consolidation. It's I don't know, man. If you're gonna get it,
is it break hook and then go, or is it break hook and go?
it can be break hook and go. It can be as many as it's needed. It's not just a 3 candle pattern. It can be like whatever. You know, break as long as you get a break and you back test for a while. Green candle, red candle, they're not engulfing, and then you finally get a real engulfing candle, that's a break hook and go.
What was Renee calling for? What was he waiting for?
2K.
2K, but then he changed it to now like 3K, or no, what was it? 9K, 9.2K, because there's a new gap, of course, right? Even though there's a gap at 11,900 on Bitcoin futures, yeah?
I thought the gap was 9.6.
Or 9.6, sorry, my bad, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's like you're just not, like at this point, we know it's real. Like Wyckoff reaccumulation was literally, it's like textbook, should be in the actual textbook of how perfect it was at everything.
Something I was talking about earlier was the only way for this bullish divergence to get invalidated for the price to drop to 9.6, which would conveniently fill the gap.
What?
What?
I wonder what noises Wyckoff would be making if he saw this reaccumulation confirmation.
Dude, he'd be, playing Britney Spears, dancing, hooping and hollering, screaming. And then it's like Bulkowski was down here too, who really helped. Really helped. It's like, isn't it cool, man? We're like combining different legends and putting it together and making our own thing. And so like what my recipe is like, in a way, like our community, like our house, our castles, like recipe is this stuff. And we do it this way. And it's like, we know it works over and over and over again. 50 Shades of Wyckoff. There you go, dude.
That's a new TA book that's out on shelves everywhere now.
Yeah, but right? You know what, why he's saying that, right?
Oh, I think I do, actually.
Like, it's about Bulkowski, right?
Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, I'm not a super big Bulkowski reader.
Oh, it's, so, like, he he only does TA, like always, only.
Yeah,
but then
just look at his patterns. Don't read his book.
Yeah,
Don't
just
read the
Jeff, you
novel.
tell him. Renee
Yeah,
got
don't
wrecked,
read-
baby. Thanks for the mug. Thank you, dude.
Don't read the words. Yeah, the patternsites.com has, and then just patterns and how many times they break out, and all sorts of different things. Here's the Japanese candlestick.
Yeah, he's like almost a genius
There's-
author slash trader, but his personal decisions just kind of not been the greatest.
There's quizzes on there that you don't actually like take the test. So I was like, well, grab some of those and post those in Patreon chat and have people draw on them. It's like find the 3 patterns in this thing. One's a triangle, one's a bullish accumulation pattern, one's a something. It's pretty cool.
Oh, so
J&J.
he's still around.
Oh yeah, he's still alive. But
Volkowski.
Hey, J&J's starting to show some 4-hour bullish divergence. Really nice. It's like maturing. MACD, see this? It's right below this trading range. It's beautiful. I mean, just gorgeous. It's like you can't even. It's its own thing, man. It's its own beast.
comes
Nothing.
down to 142. I mean, you could end up inverse head and shoulders.
Yeah, you could. You really could see an inverse head and shoulders. Oh my god, I'm like
going back
buy calls or something at 143. I'm gonna add an alert just in case. But yeah, hidden bullish divergence right here, though. You may not get that. What if there's too much demand, right? What if it's like it breaks back above 149 and then it's a moon? I own some Johnson & Johnson now based on this chart.
I'm big on Johnson. If people are gonna want to be in safer stocks,
Rotation happens. This one's gonna break to the
Into
upside. Yeah, in time.
consumer staple that also has one of the better chances of finding the therapeutic or the vaccine.
Yep.
Pretty good overall.
And the largest population in the United States are boomers and whatever. It's like, everyone needs, I don't know, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, like that's like a fundamental, aspect. So anyway,
Like another $750 million loan, like Kodak. You guys hear about the Kodak situation?
Yeah,
I'm just making a joke. J&J they get a loan of their own.
Did they do that?
It has something, but it's also kind of a way of, could have done that, or Powell could have bought their debt. Same thing.
So $150 million price goes up 3,000 or 2,200%.
It was awesome just refreshing the Robinhood holders. Like every hour it'd refresh, and it's like
100,000,
2,000 holders to 120,000 holders on the pump. They're all underwater.
Oh.
So funny. Give a dance. All you Zoomers. When stock goes up 10% every year, you get double your money in 7 years, they say, but you add dividends on top of it. You get compounding interest on compounding shares.
What about those overstock dividends?
Overstock doesn't have any dividends, but
they're paying dividends in OSTO, which is preferred voting share stock.
Huh? They're paying dividends in it?
Yep, and it was $10 for the first distribution. That's what the market price was, and now those dividends are running $50 a pop. And yeah, that's why I upped my holdings so that I could get. I only got 2 because I only had 20 something shares on the first round, but I upped my shares to 100 so that I can get 10 this time around. That's what I was talking about today in the stream, Mitch, with the Texas speech.
Oh yeah, yeah, dude. Overstock, man. That chart though speaks
$3.
insanely.
What's it at now?
Oh my god, dude, it's so
70
crazy.
something. On average, that's
Overstock, man.
17.
I bought 40-ish range. But it's those things like that, Wayfair, they're still gonna get destroyed by Amazon. It's like, all right, because of Corona, you're doing great. Year over year, next year, how are they gonna do?
Yeah,
never.
Yeah, I hear that. I mean,
They're
I
gonna
don't
get
know.
destroyed. I'm gonna look up and see. There's no way they're giving preferred share. Is it a warrant? And are they? Did you pay anything for it?
No, they literally just showed up in my trading in my Merrill Edge account. I was like, "What the heck is this?" And then I did some research.
They had
I
a
was
cash
bored.
value of $10.
Yeah,
Whoa.
they started trading at 10 or 11 bucks. And then now they're
Those are
look up the symbol,
warrants.
OSTL.
Those are warrants they just issued.
What does that mean? I don't know if I know.
Harvey
Kinda like
Updike just died.
Who?
Harvey Updike, the Alabama fan who poisoned Auburn's trees in 2010 when Cam Newton beat it.
He poisoned the trees.
Yeah, he legit
That's
killed him.
dedication right there.
Yeah, because it's like a huge symbol on Auburn's campus. So yeah, but he's like whatever, man. He's from Texas. Like he didn't go to Alabama. It's like bullcrap that trash like that is associated with the organization. The university I went to. So it's like, oh, he just gives all of Alabama a bad name, even though he's from Texas and didn't even go to school there. It's stupid.
So did Auburn bring in the Kedsies to Bama?
No, I mean, the reason why he did it was not only did Alabama lose in 2010, and then they went on to win the national title, but it was Auburn fans put an Auburn jersey on a Bear Bryant statue outside of the stadium. And that was it. That was what made him go kill Auburn's trees.
Tipping point.
Yeah, he lost it. It's oh god. This is real life, and there's this is in a 30 for 30. There's something called Roll Tide War Eagle, which is a big documentary on the one of the. What's up?
Sorry, they covered this. I didn't mean to interrupt you. Go ahead with the 30 for 30.
Oh yeah, they covered all this stuff in it. The Roll Tide War Eagle. But it's really good. But man, I wish they had waited, because how many more national titles Alabama won? Oh my god, after that was made. Anyway.
Waning negative momentum.
Yeah, Virtual Coinus, dude. Yeah, dude, big head and shoulders. You call this a big head and shoulders? I don't think you get it, man. I don't think you get it. Yeah, dude, you think you're going to get another opportunity to buy after you had 10 weeks while the Composite Man was acquiring positions that you wouldn't take because you thought it was going down to 2K at this time? Maybe not you, but I'm just saying, it's people that aren't taking longs because they're scared because they think we're going to dump. It's you had your chance, man. Upsloping crazy flag, hidden bullish divergence gonna mature here, and we're gonna go see 12,271. All right, man.
I mean, it did feel pretty neutral at certain points.
Yeah, it did. It did because they were weekly.
The inverse chart,
7,800.
Yeah, the inverse chart was scary.
That was freaking scary.
Yeah, I mean, there was arguments.
Imagine calling that a head and shoulders pattern, dude. You can't. It's not, man. Yeah, I remember something like that. Someone.
Not that, yeah.
I remember back in 2019, there was another one where it's is that it? This was it right here. I swear. I remember people trying to tell me it was head and shoulders. No, it's not, dude. Yeah, right. Right after, too, by the way, one of your last areas to take a strategic long. I remember I was in bed so hungover, took a long on Bitcoin right here because of this right here. It was on the 4 hour, June 6th and June 9th, right? It was kind of a double bottom, and it's this is it, man. This is it. And how can you say it's a head and shoulders with this going on? Momentum, someone was is that it? And it's how's your head and shoulders now? I remember joking about it. No one remember this because that actually happened. Yeah, dude, it's just higher lows upon higher lows upon higher lows. No way, trend's too bullish. And now we're doing the same thing. We now have a major breakout occurring just recently on this impulse, and this could usher in a multi-month long uptrend on Bitcoin. So have fun waiting. Have fun waiting.
Yeah, Bitcoin doesn't play or have a good history with head and shoulders. A lot of people identify it and then prematurely, and then it turns into something else.
It's not even though. It's not even head and shoulders. It's really good with inverse head and shoulders. All kinds of good inverse head and shoulders. I sell a ton on Bitcoin. Right, 4 hour. Remember the daily one in 2018?
Time for it to develop.
Yeah, it does. Like, look, you know, people being like, it's a head and shoulders, and then look at this, man. Watch what we do on Bitcoin. I zoom out, we scale out, and we go all the way back to 2018. Oops. Right here. Look at this, man. Oh, I still got it charted. That was so beautiful. Look, man. You go from June 13th, 2018 all the way to July. An entire month of development. Look at this pattern. It was beautiful, dude. So, yeah, it takes time. Like, discernible peaks and valleys. You can see it. It's so freaking clear. And then you go to what we're looking at now, and it's like 2 days, 3 days. And it's like, dude, there's nothing. It's nothing.
That's what you need. It needs to be like long term, yeah? Just like, yeah, cup of handleman.
Yeah, but it needs to be like discernible on like that. I could even go to the daily and show you that it's visible. You look at this is not the daily. It's like, it's literally 4 candles on the daily. And it's just butting up against resistance, and it's not going down at all. It's just making higher lows.
That's a healthy sign.
Yeah, one thing I keep coming back to is the context of it all. It's after that massive reaccumulation pattern that we were distracted. It's
Yep.
like it's just the context. It's
with you on that, Matthew.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I can't forget that.
It's not just that. It's also the 10-month large pattern we broke out of, right? 10-month large, the right angled and descending broadening formation.
And
So
then it
both of
also,
those.
it's not just that. It's the pennant. It's like the bull flag that we have on the weekly and monthly.
The
It's
gigantic
everything.
pattern. Yeah. Going from 20K down to where we're at right now.
And the fundamentals.
The apex
I got
level.
fundamentals on top of it, dude.
Like we just broke over the apex, like right before the very, very end of it. All of a sudden, just spiked right through it.
It's too many breakouts. It's too many different things at different times, at different angles, where it's all a breakout. Everything's broken out. So a world, market participants around the world all see this. There's no way to misidentify this breakout that has truly happened on Bitcoin. There's no way to misidentify it. It's real. If you draw angles of trend lines and charts, it's all breakout. Horizontally is the only one on the weekly that hasn't, right? And we're talking going back to that chart.
Yeah, can you show that? Because I honestly don't look too often at like the support and resistance like I probably should.
Yeah, it's one more. All right, it's one more, and we tested it. We did it on Coinbase too. But look left. It's the peak from February of 2018. It's the peak from July 1st, 2019, and August of 2019. Right, it's right here. It's where traders settled up. That is it. That is the last line. We break that. We're going 16K most likely. Real high probability. So we got one more resistance, and it's just above us. We're butting up kind of against it right now with no rejection. I mean, the down sloping resistance from 2020, man, $20,000. I'm sorry, $20,000. Whatever. And then June of 2019, we broke that, dude. Last week, an immediate fall through price action. So yeah, imagine, dude, I don't know, man. Like the trade setup was posted on Bitcoin. It's done. We're in. We're rolling now, right? It's acquired, right? We know what's happening on that time scale. It's a position trade. It's gonna take a while. So buckle up, get settled on the spaceship. We could be here it takes 8 months to get to Mars, right? According to the movie.
Yeah, I mean, but at the same time, we have to tell ourselves, this is cryptocurrency. This is a speculative asset, and any money that you invest in the space, you could lose forever.
For sure.
Yep. Especially if you're not keeping it safe.
Yeah, that's true.
I've had back during the XRP or Nano early days. Can't even remember what it was, a bit scam. I had put $70 worth of Bitcoin in 2017 July, I bought 700 XRB for 9 cents. I forgot about the account, and when I signed in December, XRB was 11 bucks a pop, so it was 7 grand. And a few weeks later, it was $30 a pop. And I sold some for Litecoin and Ethereum, but ultimately the exchange got hacked, and half of the XRB or Nano that I still had in there was more than half of it. A lot of it was stolen, and I'll never see that money again. So, you know, definitely be wary of which exchanges you're putting your money on and how you're holding it.
Yeah, what exchange was that?
It was called Bitstamp. I believe it was in Italy, and I think the government's involved. But ultimately, the
Bitstamp.
Bitstamp.
Oh, it's like
Bitstamp Connect.
Psyche shoes.
Yeah, it was sketch.
It's the
sure.
Chinese.
What's up, Carl?
Bitstamp.
Thanks for the sub, dude. Good to see you, man.
Neo the cars, the Chinese Tesla. Neo the cryptocurrency, Chinese Ethereum.
All the knockoffs, man.
Yeah, I mean it is similar. It works pretty similar.
Louis Vuitton.
Ruru Rimon? What? No Bueller? Okay.
Chinese stars. Oh man.
Yeah.
So let me just I don't even know how like no one's looking at this chart. You know, like people see this and don't know what it is. It's like we're on the cusp, man. I mean, we could be on the cusp of like a life-changing run up, you know, in the value of this asset. Like
we talked about it. If fundamentally it ever had a better time to show what it was made for.
This is literally all-time highs on fundamentals. There's accumulation, and you can see an effing sell wall that you're testing. You've already tested this week, right? Do you not see pseudo ascending triangle behavior, chat? Everyone on this chart right here. This chart goes back to 2017.
Absolutely.
Look, 2018, and then right here, 2020. All right, so accumulation, and then you got a high. 2018, 2019, twice, and now 2020. Third time's a charm, the rule of three. We don't even have to talk about it.
What about the rule of 9? We're at number 9 right now. Captain.
Well, then we're good. Then it's time to go. But like, you know, three though is like your major peak. Like you can have price action and candles above it, but it's like the waves, right? Like you see, I don't know, like one wave was created here, and then you got a second wave, and now you got number 3, right? I mean, this counts as one kind of, but yeah, it's a bunch of touches. It just really verifying or confirming where we are and where we could go if we break it right here. Right there, dude. That's it. Nothing there. You know, you could try to say right here, but that doesn't count. That's not anything. That's not a swing high. That's nothing, dude. Like you probably test 16K. That's profit taking levels for the right angled and descending running formation anyway at this point. So it's time to come home, chat. Traders, analysts, everyone. Aliens.
Composite man.
Yeah,
with how much better they are tech wise, the scam orders should be going crazy that those numbers are new highs. Surprisingly, we had most of the we did have the bad IPO or ICO graveyard. A lot of those coins died.
Someone post a mod post the link to my Fibonacci video to Ty Kara. I don't know. Or don't. It doesn't matter. Dang, dude, I've been live for 2 hours now. Are you kidding me? Crazy.
Someone mentioned that Bitstamp is still in service, which I'm actually trying to gain access right now. They're course, wanting to steal all my.
Bitstamp is still very popular.
Yeah.
Where am I
think
posting
there
this,
was
Mitch? In
Just
chat?
in the general chat, or not general, but the YouTube.
Yeah, Bitstamp's been around for a minute and it's still around.
Having trouble getting the phone number verification going through right now.
It's not letting me use the compare tool, dude. I can't do it. Yeah, Dave, I'm trying. It's not letting me. It's like the tool's like broken right now. Let me try to refresh or something.
The stream
What's
from
going on?
3 days ago is 5th all time on most popular now.
What do you mean most popular?
Your most viewed videos.
Oh, wow, number 5. That's crazy. Well, it was
Yeah.
nuts, dude. It was insane. There were like what 2,500 people watching, and we're only
Yeah,
at
there's
10, 11K, man. Think about that. These numbers when we were in like 13, 14, 15, 14K. I don't know. We're kind of close.
What was the like on it? That was a new record, wasn't it?
The what? Oh yeah, it was a like record for
Likes.
sure. Yeah, 2,000, almost 2,700 likes.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Shattered it by hundreds.
Just got off work. Thoughts on Link USD? Putting
Yes,
along
it's
at
breaking out.
7.40.
It's breaking out Nerf Craze. Posted it at everyone on Patreon. We also looked at it on stream. I got another request real quick. Supposed to look at U.S. oil and compare it to gold.
US Oil used to have a very
I don't know, man, how to do this. It's so weird. I guess it's like it right here. Zoom down. Let me get the daily.
Pre-crash highs.
trying to compare two charts. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. I think that's kind of it right here, like this. It's like inverse correlated like crazy. But I don't know. Then it started correlating.
No, it used to be very well correlated.
Okay, yeah, I guess so. Yeah,
people used to hop into oil
Yeah.
when equities
Yeah,
were dumping.
That makes sense. And now, now is different, right?
Now oil represents demand. I mean, there's way too much supply and kind of an overall world philosophy to decrease the demand. But yeah, no.
There's your comparison. Weird, dude.
Back in the old days,
It's definitely
oil
inverse.
was very rare and precious. We only had so many places, but now we're literally putting oil back in the ground.
Link Dragon, Dragon-esque. It's more like just a channel breakout. You know, if you talk about it as a dragon, target's got to be like 618, 786, but it's probably 786, 886, or maybe even 100%, man. I think that's like you can't even, because it's breaking out and it's already retraced so deep or so moderately. I can't even find it, man. Here it is. Yeah, it's down a little bit. Right here, dude. Yeah, it broke out on the last candle. Now it's just spending its time back testing the old resistance as support of the breakout, right? That's the link, dude. So again, it's like you're already almost at a golden retrace on a breakout. So it's like you got to be swinging for the fences if you want to trade this and it be equitable, right? Because like having a strategic stop, I mean, I don't know. Maybe you just put it below like here like 720 or something, 725. Just because it's like you don't want to mess with it, it falls back down here. But then at the same time, it's like, what if you just get back in here to make a higher low? So then it's like a more strategic stop loss would be down at like $6.90, $7. Okay, well if you have a stop loss that's loose like that, then you gotta swing for like $8.90 to get that 3-to-1 reward to risk. So I mean, you gotta say $8.90 and then $10, man, probably. Like those are your targets here if this is to play out. And you run the risk of, running up a little bit more, 8.15, and then selling off and creating a gorgeous textbook inverse head and shoulders. That would be the Jesus, man, right? We could come back down eventually after creating a nice neckline, come down to see $6.95, $7. Boom. That would be perfect. I would go all in on that, Kappa, but you get it, You mean tell me inverse head shoulders after a small correction, after blue sky breakouts? Yeah, dude. Let's go. Tom Brady that. We're seeing it before it happens. And we wait for it. We can. Anyway, all right. I think I'm going to get some rest and just call it an evening. Getting a little tired, man.
Thanks for the mug purchases, everybody.
Yeah, thank
Really
y'all.
appreciate it.
Remember
Oh,
that Pepe mug, dude. That Pepe mug is gone on Saturday if you're watching the stream. Like, it won't exist. You won't be able to buy it anymore. All right? So, it sucks, dude. Because it's an amazing design.
Color.
Huh?
I might have to get another color.
Yeah, I need to
Buy the whole
buy
rainbow.
these. So we got 11,063.
I saw a picture, the in real life picture of that blue mug, and it looked a lot better than the picture on the website. So I had to get one.
Okay.
Sometimes the pictures online don't do it justice.
Yeah, they seldom do.
Well, y'all have a good night.
Yeah, that does look good in the picture. It really does. Wow.
I got the blue sweatshirt. It looks good. It's the Dodger blue.
Yeah, it looks good. You didn't take a selfie of that yet, did you?
I literally forgot that it was here, and so I threw it on and went to go take a picture, and I'm fucking walking around a dark house. No one's here. I'm like,
get right.
I'll wait till someone's here to take a picture of me. I did take an awful pic, and then looking in, there's a little something hanging off my right hip. Like, maybe I should post that somewhere public. How do you like the new SIG?
I'm going shooting this weekend with some friends. Though we're going back out to Talladega. I can't wait, man. It'd be my first time shooting both of them. I got one right here, the P365 and the P226 Legion, man. Oh my god, I can't wait. So excited. But yeah, I don't know. I will let you know. I'm gonna let everyone know. Thing's a beast, though. It just feels so perfect in your hand. Quality is unparalleled.
We weren't issued them, but I was allowed to carry I ended up, when I was working for those other guys, I had a SIG P220. Freaking amazing.
Yeah. It's like 6 hour, man. They started as a wagon company in the late 1700s. A wagon company. But now look at them. The best. Love it, man.
Yeah, I don't know where I thought they had the hammerless version now, but I don't see it. Yeah, you'll love it.
Single action only.
Take care of it. What's that?
Single action only. I think they have that, yeah. Without the hammer.
Hammerless version.
Like my P365 right here, it has no hammer. I love it.
No external hammer?
Yep, no safety either.
Is it double action?
Yeah, it has to be.
Oh no, like a Glock is single action, so it's one pull. You don't have like the pull back and then the drop of the hammer. They were coming out with
single
one
action.
back when it was a cop, yeah.
But it's like when you pull the trigger, the first one is like a weird pull, like, and then it's very easy after that.
It's 13.5 pounds and then 3.5 pounds. So you can get that adjusted, but yeah.
Oh man, like the P365, like I love the P226 Legion. It's so good. But man, there's just something about this one, like the P365, how compact it is and how like just perfect it feels in my hand. Oh god, I love it. And it's like so like it's like the best. It's like the perfect concealed carry weapon, like the best one, like arguably the best that exists. So
what's the micro compact? It's pretty good carry for micro compact. 10+1. I have a Glock 30 is my off-duty carry.
What was it?
Yeah, no, these weren't around. Glock 30. So
okay,
it's a subcompact version of the Glock 21, but it would take the clips of the magazines from our duty belts. So if I ended up having a jam or something, I could just keep using the ammo I already had.
Nice.
Yeah, so we were all forced to carry the same gun because something happened. Some guy was sitting there hiding behind a car and couldn't get in the fight. And so they were like, all right, we're not going to overreact. But we are. Knee jerk.
Do you have you heard of Safariland holsters?
Huh? Yeah.
That's what I ended up getting. Got a custom made one for the P226 with the flashlight outside the waistband.
I have right now. I'll just send you a straight pic of.
No, this one doesn't have a safety.
Fine.
The P365 doesn't have a safety. Now the P226 Legion I have does have a safety. I love it though. It feels so good.
I'll text you what I forget the name of. Yeah, Safariland's been around for a long time.
Well, that's like what police officers get, man. They will get that. Like, that's because there's like the customization involved with like the holster and how they, mold it.
That's my off-duty holster.
Where? Oh, okay.
I just texted to you.
Yeah, ammo prices. That's why I'm going out to Talladega because it's like lower price out there. Oh yeah. That looks good.
Just to carry the extra magazine.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The draw is good. But yeah.
Chart ammo prices? No, there's Smith & Wesson though you can look at. But alright, I'm gonna get out of here. Look, everyone thinks, man. Everyone's saying we're going down. We're gonna go down again, dude. Okay, we're gonna see 10-5 where everyone's gonna get this magic entry. Oh, it's gonna be so easy. It's probably not gonna happen. But if it does, all right, no big deal. We know our stop losses. We know where everything is. Okay, but the hidden bullish evidence. You have no selling. You have upsloping consolidation. Within upsloping consolidation, you get that right. That's like. I don't know how to explain it. Like on the chart, when you have major upsloping consolidation, and then at the top of the upsloping consolidation, you're now consolidating that it is also upsloping. Like what the, really? Yeah, I'm not sold on seeing 10-5 again. I don't know, man. Like it's Bitcoin, and this is exactly what it does. Stupid stuff. All right, I'm gonna hang up. Thank y'all for supporting the stream.
All right, brother.
All right, be good. Cheers. All right, y'all. I'm getting out of here. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for the likes, love, support, contributions, the merchandise purchases. That really means a lot. Be sure if you want the Pepe mug, get it while you can because it's gone. Saturday. You'll never see it again. So until next time, respect the TA. Doesn't mean that purchase bad merchandise. Them again.
My name is JP. I'm a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.